It's Friday, July 10th at about 9 o'clock in the morning, and the dogs and I are up on the K&P Trail heading north from Fish Creek Road. Gonna walk north up to Tichborne, and I'm not sure where after that. Well, there's a few deer flies up here, but so far not too bad, surprisingly. Things are quite damp up here. The trail and the forest, you can just smell the lush vegetation. That's because they got quite a bit of rain up here yesterday, whereas we didn't get hardly any at our house. All day long the storms were coming just north of us, up here and north of 7 on to Ottawa, and then south of us. As so often happens, they're calling for chance of thunderstorms again this afternoon, but I'll believe that when I see it as far as them hitting our place. Hosta growing out here along the railroad tracks. That's kind of weird. So it's just after 10 o'clock and we're heading back now. We actually went north of Tichborne and followed the trail out to where it meets Highway 38. We went across the road there, across 38, just to explore a little side road, which didn't go far. Took a few pictures there, and then are starting on our way back now. All in all, we walked 3.2 kilometers one way and just over an hour of walking. We also tallied 36 species of birds up to that point. We'll see if we get any new ones on the way back. Of note was a cerulean warbler singing up here in the woods in the north end, which is nice to hear. They're usually very localized breeders in this area, so it's nice to hear them. Well, the deer flies seem to be picking up now, which I guess shouldn't be too surprising now that the day is warming up. I think it was about 20 degrees when we got here though, so it was fairly warm then, but now it's probably 24 or 25 and quite humid. Perfect deer fly weather. Just noticing them getting a little more common, a little more bitey. So after over an hour and a half of walking, I've only seen 2 people on the trail. One fellow was riding an ATV and he was a trail warden, so he has the responsibility of going up and down this trail looking for infractions occurring and things like that, or safety issues. And the other fellow was just a cyclist heading north. So it's a nice place to come early in the morning before it gets too busy. Just a beautiful day out here. Oh, Bandit's found herself a little baby snapping turtle. There he is, or she is. We'll just move him off the trail in case any ATV or biker comes along. Just take it up here a ways where I can get to the water. There you go, little one. Okay, it's 11 o'clock and we're just coming up to the end of the hike here on the K&P Trail at Fish Creek Road. Hope you enjoyed that hike northward to about 1 kilometer or so north of Tichborne and back. Beautiful morning. We ended up the bird count at 40 species, so we did add a few on the way back. And the day continues beautiful. Hopefully we'll get a few thunderstorms this afternoon. Catch you later.